Vadi Vlogs. This is your Vadi. Today I am planning to prepare Kadai Paneer. Paneer is a Indian cottage cheese. This dish is very flavorful and colorful dish. And Kadai Paneer is a very popular dish in India. Here I have the ingredients. I have a cottage cheese, bell peppers, onion, green chili, coriander, tomato, chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, and cream and spices. Okay. I'm turning the fire. Let's heat the pot. I'm adding oil. Here I have a special Kadai Masala. So in this, Cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black pepper, all crushed, and I have a dry red chili. So I am adding this Kadai Masala first. Adding ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute and add the onion. Cook the onion until become nice golden color. Our onion is ready. I am adding turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon, chili powder, half teaspoon, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, and garam masala, half teaspoon. Okay. I am adding dash of water to cook the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our masala cooked already. I am adding chopped tomato, salt to taste. I am adding chopped green chili. Now you can see the tomato is cooked and our beautiful Kadai masala gravy is getting ready. Now I am going to add diced onion and diced red bell pepper and green bell pepper. If you have yellow bell pepper, we can add. Now you can see onion, bell peppers cooked. Now adding the cottage cheese, paneer. So when you adding paneer, mix it gently because it's easy to break. So just mix it gently and cook for cook the paneer for 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, our cottage cheese Kadai paneer is ready. I'm turning off the fire. So what I'm going to do now, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cream and 1 tablespoon butter. So this cream and butter give a smooth and creamy texture to the Kadai paneer. So I'm going to taste it's really great dish. These ingredients are very simple. It's easy to make it at home. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Thank you very much.